Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we'll try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Room category. Category 5. Category 6. If we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Prior to present photo ID and check.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Is outstanding. Online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share